Coming up on this bridge here. Came under it a couple times. There's always a million birds flying underneath of it. This last time I started noticing that they've got like little mud nests built all over it, and they're just in and out. Some of them are in their nest. They come down and grab stuff out of the water. Get up here soon. Hopefully the light will be good enough you can see their nests. Feel like you're gonna get attacked by coming underneath here. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see these nests or not. All up under here. Yeah. Better watch where I'm going, about ready to bottom out. See all these birds coming in and out here.